Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through a super simple step-by-step tutorial on how to list a new product on Amazon Seller Central India without needing any brand name or barcode. This method is perfect for beginners who want to get started quickly without applying for approvals. Once you're logged into your Seller Central dashboard, click on Inventory from the top menu and select Add a Product. On the next screen, click the Blank Form option. This lets you create your listing from scratch. For this tutorial, I'm going to use a generic kitchen product as an example: stainless steel lemon squeezer, heavy duty, silver. In the item name field, I'll enter that exact title with keywords to make it search friendly. Amazon automatically detects the product type as kitchen tools, and we can leave that as it is. Now hit Next to go to the Product Identity tab. Here, for brand name, we'll tick the box that says, "This product does not have a brand name." This avoids any brand approval requirement. Just below that, under External Product ID, tick the box "I do not have a product ID," this way you don't need a UPC, EAN, or GTN. Now move to the Description tab where we'll add key bullet points like, made from heavy-duty stainless steel, rust-proof and easy to clean, perfect for squeezing lemons, limes, and oranges, comfortable handle grip, and dishwasher safe. You can also write a short product description using relevant keywords to help your listing rank better. In the Product Details tab, fill in the item weight, dimensions, material, stainless steel, and color, silver. Then move to the Offer tab. Here you can set the MRP, let's say 499 Indian rupees, and the selling price as 349 Indian rupees, enter your quantity, and choose Fulfilled by Merchant for now. Once you've entered all the details, click Save and Finish, and just like that, your generic product is now listed live on Amazon. If this video helped you, don't forget to check out the description below. I've added a Helium 10 discount link you can use to access powerful tools for product research, keyword tracking, listing optimization, and more. Like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one.